Alright, Pro Cutters, so I've got a failed water petcock, and I'm gonna try to just take it apart via here, and hopefully it's just the seals, because I've got a shorter version of this, the same one, so hopefully I could just replace the seals and that'll work. But either way, the first thing we got to do is go out to the water meter and shut the water off. Alright, so I pulled out the thing and you can see the seal is just completely shot on this one. And so I took apart my new one that's just shorter, but it's got the same seal. You can see the difference. So I'm going to put the new seal and spring in the old long rod and put it back together, and that should do the trick. And then I'll just buy another one of these to have on hand for later. So once you put that back in and screw it in, then this front seal, you've kind of got to force it in a little bit, and then you can, once you get it in far enough, then you can start to put this back on, which I still don't have it quite on enough yet, so I'm gonna need both hands, so I'm gonna have to set the phone down. So you snug that part back down, and then you can put your petcock back on, and then there's a small screw in there that gets tightened down as well. And then you can go ahead and once it's all the way in, that's the water off. Of course, I got this little 90 on mine. Now I can run back down to the meter and turn the water back on. All right, so we got our water key, and just like all my other plumbing videos, when you turn your water on, you want to just go easy with it. Just open it up till you start to hear the flow. Let the pressure build. When you stop hearing the flow, then you can go ahead and open it up the rest of the way. You never just want to slam it open, because that'll cause damage. Back up here at the house, and as you can see, and then turn it back off, and once the excess there stops, you can see that our leak is now fixed, just as simply as replacing the seals. So sometimes it's easier to replace the seals, sometimes it's easier to replace the whole petcock. But seeing as how I've got to go into a crawl space for this one, it was easier to do the seals. All right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.